No, she's not old. Ni grandma daw mag-trampoline ka raw.
Oh, there's a bee chasing me. Right there, in the yellow jacket. We don't like those.
No, you don't like yellow jacket. So did you put bleach hand?
No, I bought 2 gallons of bleach. I'm gonna buy one tonight. I'm gonna put some in tonight. But there's chlorine going in it.
Okay.
I'll take off your helmet.
Maricar, dyan na naman yung mga ano mo, momo mo. So when we do that scooter, that'd be nice, huh?
It's not me.
Why?
Oh, the weight limit on is 200 pounds. What's that down there? Oh, that's somebody's goggles. We gotta go on.
So if you have that scooter, so what is that gonna go up or what?
Yeah, they do that and they jump it and they do flips and stuff like that.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Beanie. Andyan na naman. Eh, may duyan. Duyan.
Whoa. Okay, you're going yours. You're going yours.
Who's next? Julene?
Julian, get off. I don't want you to.
Why?
I want to drive.
Julene, just go jump with daddy.
Jay, nice.
Say please. Say please.
Nice. Here,
Did you say please?
push your back. Stop.
Did you say please?
Please. Thank
Watch where you're driving. If you take out the pool, I'm gonna get someone blue.
Look at grandma.
Oh, yes.
Relaxing. Grandma. Relaxing si grandma. Masarap? Makatulog ka na dyan. Ha? Baka makatulog ka na dyan, mother. Lagay mo yung paa. Pag gusto mo lagay sa paa mo. Andyan mga jowa mo. Ayan naman, nag-subscribe naman. Oh, ang dami nag-subscribe ah. What happened to you?
Why did you do that?
Gonna do what? Careful, don't do that.
Ow, bro.
Go.
You're coming under you. You're under me now. Ah!
Hi, Sora. Thank you sa regalo. Thank you, Sora, for the super chat. Ay, mag-thank you ka kay Sora, super chat.
Time out.
What happened? What happened to your baby?
You put me under you. That was so mean.
I did.
Yeah, bro. Even the camera got it.
Hey, Dad, I actually ate something at McDonald's today.
Did somebody thank you when you went to McDonald's? Nobody?
I did. Because I said to get, because usually we just get 3, but I said to get 4 because Dad wanted.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Sora. Thank you, Sora.
Hey!
Uy,
Oh, well, did you wear decent shoes?
I am.
Nah, bro.
Bro,
Stop!
Uy,
you lost the head.
thank you. Jilana, say thank you, Sora.
Right here.
Gray hair, that one.
Oh, wow. Dad is just laughing on you. Oh,
Oh, I gotta get up.
No,
Bro,
you ain't getting up anywhere.
bro. Bro, pull my finger quick.
I am
oh no.
That same crusty musty of yours. I stand as my hand. I do
Wasn't that you, Crusty Musty? And
No, I don't know crusty musty. Your hands are crusty musty. I stand as my hands.
really?
Stop.